The birth of Indian Railways, 1853 to 1869. Did you know Indian Railways is over 165 years old? It all began in 1853, when the first passenger train ran from Bori Bandar in Mumbai to Thane, just 34 kilometers. Pulled by 3 locomotives, Sahib, Sindh, and Sultan. It had 13 coaches and many curious passengers. Built by the Great Indian Peninsula Railway with support from the East India Company. This success led to rapid expansion, South India in 1856. And Allahabad Jubalpur in 1867. By 1869, over 6,000 miles of railway tracks had been laid. Imagine the excitement of the first passengers, entering a new era of travel. The Indian Railways transformed transportation, connecting cultures and cities. And it all started with just one train. What an incredible journey! Let us celebrate this incredible legacy. What's your favorite memory of train travel?